Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a soft reset of your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. At first, to do a soft reset, you have to have your headphones turned on. So remove them both from the case and wait a moment until they will be finally turned on and paired, connected with your phone. Once done, put your earbuds back into the case like that and close it. Now here, this soft reset procedure process takes 10 seconds maybe, maximum 10 seconds, like there is no other way. And now after these 10 seconds you can just take your earbuds out of the case again. You have to just remember about closing the case, and now once the case is closed, your earbuds, when they are inside, they are turned off. So yeah, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.